Yes, you do. But I have a question. Do you keeping your mind and soul fit? I think so not. So today we are gonna discuss that what you do that how you can keep your mind and soul fit. What you mean by yoga? Why yoga is important? What yoga poses you need to do? Now, what you mean by yoga? The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body, and soul. It brings together physical and mental trains us to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps us relaxed. Now, why yoga is important? Yoga is important as we need to give 5 minutes to yoga. Why so? As it refreshes our mind. We feel that we are now ready to do the task that was left, isn't it? Now, what are the benefits of yoga? Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Yoga gives back pain relief. Yoga maintains our heart health. It relaxes us and helps to sleep better. Yoga means more energy and bring brighter moods. It helps us to manage stress. What yoga poses you need to do? There are two yoga poses you can do. Swastik asana. It is very simple and easy, and this helps you a lot and improves your power of concentration. Next, we have Dandasana. Benefits of Dandasana are helps improves posture, strengthens back muscles, and many more. So I hope that you like that what the term you mean when yoga is said, isn't it? So I hope now from now onwards you will keep your mind and soul happy too.
Very
Thank
true,
you, ma'am.
Akriti, very true. You're most welcome, dear. And yes, well said. We all should practice some form of exercise, yoga or exercises or gym or walking, whichever you people are comfortable. And yes, everything has got their own advantages in place, especially in this time while everyday activities are not there. Getting up, getting ready, moving for the bus, walking in the school premises, all those are not there. So surely we should remember to do some exercise like yoga. So wonderful point given, Akriti, and a very valid point taken for all of us. Thank you so much for letting us know about these asanas, and surely I'll also try to be feeling a bit lazy, but still I'll try definitely. Thank you so much, dear, for the points. And now we would invite Neetu to go ahead with her presentation. Neetu, have you logged in, bete? Let me just see. Getting some call. Neetu. I can't see her name. She's in C section. Can anyone invite her? She sent me her wakelet at 1 o'clock a.m. I'm ready.
Ma'am, Neetu is not a 9C, I think so. Yes, ma'am.
She's not in 9C. She was in 7C earlier.
Yes,
Anshika's
ma'am,
sister?
but not yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
she
but
is
not
in
in
9th.
Ma'am, she's
She's
in
in
ninth.
9th. Okay. Okay, bete. Thank you. So can anyone invite her? Or if you have her number, if you could just have a word with her. I sent some changes to her, but you can tell her that she can give her presentation now and later make those changes. Okay, so while Neetu is coming up, or we get some information from one of your friends, I hope someone has gone. Am I still connected? I hope I am. Yeah, I am. Okay, I thought I had lost the connection. So in the meanwhile, I got few more students who are in the row and they are also practicing. That's good that you are completing your task. Parnika is one, Sia, and I got one more name. Let me just see who was it. Sia and Simran are also ready. Okay, that's good. So, bete, is your presentation done now or later you want to give some other day? You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, actually they are done with the presentation, but they have not done with the task of Wakelet.
Okay, no problem. So they can give the presentation as of now and later embed it in the Wakelet and send it to me. अगर उनकी PPT ready है तो वो log in कर सकते हैं बेटे. They can give the
Okay,
presentation.
ma'am. Let me message them.
Sure, sure. So in the meanwhile, while we are waiting for your friends, Devanshi or someone who's the, has anyone gone to contact Neetu? It might be on hold.
Ma'am,
I
she
have
is coming
messaged
in
her.
5 minutes.
Replied yet.
She's coming? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she's joined, I think. Neetu has joined. Thank you, Vanshika. Thank you, Bete. So Vanshika has submitted all the 6 tasks. Devanshi has submitted all the 6 tasks. And for few, they have got the badges and they have tweeted the badges also. That's very nice of them. It keeps us connected with the world. So we're just waiting.
Excuse
Jesse,
me, ma'am.
5 complete. Yeah, yes, Bete.
Varnika here, ma'am. I'm not ready with my presentation yet. So can I do the presentation after some day?
Sure, sure, no worries. You sent me a message yesterday, na? I replied to you.
Yeah, yes,
You
ma'am.
can do it after Monday. No worries. No
Okay,
worries.
thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So I'm just joining in from the laptop also. So in the meanwhile, I wanted to let you know that we need at least 20-30 students who want to volunteer and who want to participate in this Wakelet Students Ambassador program. Okay. So that you can have your IDs and you have to make Wakelets. As I said, I'm sharing this from my okay. Yes, Neetu, we are here. You can go ahead and share the screen. The moment you start sharing, I'll stop talking. Okay. So that's great. One of your other friends has also joined. See, children, you have got so many things in hand to do, and that's good. You know? Keep yourself engaged because empty mind is devil's workshop. But then the more you do, the more you learn. सब चीज आप करके सीखोगे, then only it will be good. So presentation is just a part of out of all these activities. As we have been discussing, there are 6 activities which you have to do. And let me highlight some more points of the presentation because often students had a doubt कि मैम मैं कौन सी topic लूँ. So what they have said in the rules or the whatever you call the guidelines as such. So you can take any topic which you are passionate about. Passionate means something which interests you. It could be your hobby, it could be your area of interest, it could be some games that you like playing, it could be video games, it could be making videos. How do you do that? It could be any subject of your class, maybe English, maths, Punjabi, whichever interests you, or maybe you are reading some books and you want to tell everyone about it. You're practicing some new tools, you want to tell everyone. That's also good. You just play football, you like playing football, you can give presentation about football. So whatever you want to select, the topic is your prerogative. But at the same time, you have to be sure that you include maximum things of that topic. Okay. Suppose you include football, so you can include some famous footballers biography sort of thing, 4 or 5 lines. You can tell the famous cups that you call. I don't know. I'm not much into football, but the famous games that are played for that, you can share details about those and when it was started, who started, which is the famous team, the most famous winning team, different types of cups, as I said, and the latest games which have been happening that you can share. If it is football, cricket, many boys are interested in cricket. बहुत बच्चों को पसंद होता है cricket खेलना. You can share about that. It could be any topic whichever passionates you. Okay, so do not restrict yourself कि नहीं मैंने इसके बारे में क्या बोलूं, शायद ये पसंद नहीं आएगा किसी को. जो आपको पसंद है आपने उसके बारे में बताना है. जो सबको पसंद है उसके बारे में नहीं बताना आपने. Which you like it. Okay, that's your task number 5. So I'll be sharing the link with ma'am also, and at the same time, Neetu, are you ready, bete? Do you want to be the presenter? I think you are already the presenter, Neetu. You can start sharing your screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bete.
Yes, ma'am. I have asked them. They were saying that can we get some more time till then we can do all the tasks too.
Sure, no problem. In that case, maybe we will plan on Monday or somewhere, because I don't want to barge in your well-being calls always. ये आपका टाइम है, तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा इसको नहीं लेना चाहती. बट अगर मैं आज कह के कल कहूंगी कि tomorrow is Saturday, I have some time, so let us all get in. So it's not good on my part, है ना? So tell them कि by Monday or Tuesday they could be ready, and one of those days we can have the presentation. ठीक
Okay,
है,
ma'am.
because every time I have to involve everyone and सारे classes आएंगे, so then it takes time, है ना? Or else what we do, we go ahead with next Saturday. जैसे 4 बच्चे हो गए हैं, so Akriti, Devanshi, if Neetu gives it now, and Vanshika are there, so I'll send the list of 4 students, and after next Friday or next Saturday again we can have for everyone who's there, so that next set of students details can be sent for getting certificates from them. ठीक है, आपकी सर्टिफिकेट पे नेम्स वहां से लिख करके आएंगे, so you can have the digital certificate for you. From the Wakelet team, we would be receiving it. Yeah, Neetu, we are waiting for you, dear. Is there any concern, bache? Okay, so while Neetu is coming up, anyone else who has a question? You can write it in the chat window if you are. Yes, I think her screen is pulling up. The devices, we have to request them so much, na? Sure, Mitali, I'll let you know about the task, bache. To the chat window. Okay, so yes, Neetu, unmute your mic. All the best. So the floor is yours, beta. You can switch on your camera. Neetu, are you saying something? We couldn't hear you, bete.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now we can hear you. Good. Go ahead.
Uh, Art is the product of imagination and creativity, particularly in a physical form. Art can be used to spread a message of inspiration, making people achieve great things. There are 7 forms of art: painting, sculpture, literature, architecture, cinema, music, theatre. I have made these paintings with watercolors. The first painting is on kindness, and the second painting is of a cartoon character, Doraemon. I have made sketches of the member of a band group BTS. I have used pencil to draw these sketches. I love to make sketches and paintings. When I make paintings, my time passes very fast, which does not make my day long and boring. My interest in art has increased day by day. Thank you.
Okay, that was a quick presentation, Neetu. Thank you so much for that. And yes, that's good that you are so much interested in paintings. I have seen Neetu's paintings earlier as well while decorating the classroom walls for the learning marketplace that we used to have, and even in the art class. So that's good. Everyone should have their areas of interest. That's very good, Neetu. Thank you so much. So that calls for a round of applause, the claps from my side. And I understand your friends must have also been inspired that yes, we can also give presentation and we will also try our best. That's very, very good. Okay. Congratulations. So you have sent me 3 to 4 tasks more. I'll check all of those and kindly complete all the tasks of this Wakelet program so that in the first list batch of students, your name can also be sent. Okay, that's very, very good. So apart from that, children, I would like to inform whenever you make a presentation, have at least 4 to 5 minutes for yourself. Okay, कंटेंट आपके पास इतना होना चाहिए कि आप 4-5 मिनट की प्रेजेंटेशन दे सको. टॉपिक कुड बी एनीथिंग. एट द सेम टाइम डेकोरेट योर स्लाइड्स बिट मोर. नीतू आपने भी इसको इन स्लाइड्स को थोड़ी और डेकोरेट करनी है. टेक सम बैकग्राउंड, कलरफुल बैकग्राउंड. ओके, and then at the same time take some more pictures and elaborate little more about what forms of painting. And these 4 paintings that you shared, that are your own. आपने खुद ही बनाया ये सारे पेंसिल कलर्स और BTS ग्रुप के मेंबर की पिक्चर.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. I must say you have made it very beautifully. So you should participate more and more. Yeah, very true. When we are very sad, we should colors. We listen to music. Some of us है ना कि मुझे music पसंद है. And they know much more about music more than us. So similarly, she must be knowing much more about painting than me at least. कि क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, कौन सी कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस लेनी है, कौन से 2 कलर्स मिक्स करके थर्ड कलर मिलता है. So that's what is called you are passionate about something. Okay. So whenever you give a presentation, children, you all should remember that you have to take at least 4 to 5 minutes, and you should have good presentable slides at your end and very much valid information. You can also make points. आप information screen पर कुछ रखो जो आप बताना चाहते हो, just 2-3 points या bullet points में, and जो आपके दिमाग में matter है, you can talk about it. Okay, that's another way of presenting. And you can use any tool. You can use a PDF, you can use a PPT, और Wakelet में Wakelet आप pictures लगा करके अगर आपने presentation देनी है वैसे भी आप कर सकते हो. और you feel कि मुझे sway अच्छे से आता है, I want to make a sway, you can do that. If you feel I have created a wonderful Minecraft world, so आप Minecraft पे presentation दे सकते हो, उसकी कुछ highlights कि कैसे करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं, कौन सी screen पे जाते हैं, how do you move forward, backward, all those things can be included. ठीक है, that's there. And I'm about to share my screen wherein I will be telling you about the Wakelet Student Ambassador Program. I had opened the presentation at my end. It's just taking some time. I have logged in from the laptop as well. In the meanwhile, simultaneously, I would just like to go ahead and clarify the doubts of students. Give me a second. Okay, so Mitali asked about task number. Mitali, what was your question? Task number 5 or task number 6?
Ma'am, can you tell all the tasks that we have to complete?
Sure, I'll tell all the tasks now, bete. She had some question in the chat, so that's why I was calling her. I'm just sharing the screen to show you the task as well. And children who have made task number 6, so task number 6 is all about your, yeah, tell the task 6, acha, 6 tasks of the Wakelet. Okay, you're asking all, sure, I'll tell all. So task number 6 is about yourself, your accomplishments since last 1 year. Accomplishments means कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, या तो आपने प्राइज जीती है या फिर आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. It could be as simple as yourself participating in the special assembly. It could be that you have participated in some inter-house competitions in the school or outside the school. अगर जैसे सोचो आप पेंटिंग क्लास जाते हो या आप डांस क्लास जाते हो तो आपने बाहर भी किसी डांस में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आप वो भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास उसकी कोई सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं है, यू कैन राइट फ्यू सेंटेंसेस अबाउट दैट इन द Wakelet टेक्स्ट की तरह. यू कैन राइट इट and you can include any pictures or any artifacts that you have about that. ठीक है, artifact means it could be pictures, YouTube links, or say screenshots or images or videos, या आपकी experience जो आप वर्ड्स में शेयर करना चाहते हो, और सर्टिफिकेट्स दैट यू रिसीव, इट कुड बी एनी ऑफ दो, ठीक है। ग्रुप पिक्चर्स होती हैं कई बार जब हम किसी चीज में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, और इफ यू डू नॉट फाइंड एनी पिक्चर्स, यू वांट टू नो और यू वांट टू से कि मैंने तो स्पेशल असेंबली में पार्टिसिपेट किया, यू कैन गो टू स्कूल फेसबुक और यू कैन गो टू द स्कूल ट्विटर अकाउंट एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल। आप स्कूल फेसबुक पे जाओगे तो जितनी भी आपकी असेंबलीज होती है ना, सबकी डिटेल्स वहां पर होती है। स्कूल यूट्यूब पे भी आप जा सकते हो, उसमें से यू कैन टेक अ बिट एंड यू कैन कट शॉर्ट। इट्स योर क्रिएटिविटी हाउ यू वांट टू गो अहेड, ठीक है बच्चों। So that is about task number 6, which is accomplishments, ठीक है। आपकी accomplishments, जो जो आपने जीता या जो जो आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, वो सारा कुछ आप इसमें इंक्लूड कर सकते हो। And at the same time, when I talk about this, creating some issues here, let me try sharing from here only. I think this would be much better and it will take less time. I'm here only. You can keep on posting your questions in the chat. Just going to open the looking for my Outlook here. So I'm on another screen. Task number 4, as far as I remember, is all about collaboration. थोड़ा सा silence भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है ना? So be active on the chat window, children, and let me know who all have understood about task number 6. That you have to share your accomplishments. What are your accomplishments? Each one can write 2 accomplishments of yours. Yeah, I'm almost there. I am going on the chat as well. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible now. Let me just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's great. Thank you so much, bete. So they sent a mail asking कैसे कर रहे हैं आपके बच्चे, कितना participations किया आपके बच्चों ने. Okay, so I'll go to the chat window from the laptop because यहाँ से मुझे sharing में issue आ रही थी, but from the phone I could do it. I'm opening the Wakelet which they have shared. Okay, this link would be shared with you all soon. So these are the tasks. Everyone who want to participate, kindly take screenshots, and we want more number of you to participate here. Okay, teachers, it's 1:58. Thank you so much for being there, and I am so loving it that you all are so encouraging to the children as well. Please stay there for 10 more minutes. However, if you are very busy or occupied, then I think grade 9 would let me take their class if I am there. If the teachers are occupied, so they are free from my side. Thank you so much, teachers. So the decision is yours, and children, stay put here. Definitely we are going to learn something and we'll make the best use of next 10 minutes. So this is how the Wakelet opens. The first one, student ambassador zone. So they have welcomed us and they have shared the task. Let's go, he says, and these are the 5 different tasks. I clicked on see more. These are the 6 tasks if you see, children. So the first one is curation. Curation means all about me. Not me, it's you. आपके बारे में कह रहे हैं, all about yourself. So you can include anything here. I'll start clicking on one after the other when I have given a small brief. Okay, so all about your ideas, your areas of interest, your likes, dislikes, what you want to be. आपने क्या करना है, कैसे क्या बनना है बड़े होकर के, या अभी तक आपने क्या किया, कौन कौन सी places घूमे हैं आप. You can write about everything. Okay, under the sun you can write everything. Remember, your content would be shared with everyone on the Twitter and all. The Wakelet link would be shared. Hence, make sure that you have some good stuff here कि लोग देखें और appreciate करें कि वाह क्या बच्चा है ना? So that's how it goes. Second is about critical thinking. So critical thinking is where you talk about perspective. Perspective means the way you think. आप किस तरह से लेते हो चीजों को, आप क्या सोचते हो किसी चीज के बारे में. Okay, so here we are talking about two different perspectives of same thing. अगर मैं कहूँ कि social media is good, तो गुड भी मैं बताऊंगी और बैड भी मैं बताऊंगी. इट्स अ सॉर्ट ऑफ डिबेट और समथिंग दैट यू हैव विद इन योरसेल्फ. आपके दिमाग में जो डिबेट चल रहा है फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक, दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड हियर. So once again, you can take any topic, something like climate action, or maybe should we plant trees, yeah, should we save water, yeah, maybe should we study, should we go to school, should we have uniform for the schools, or maybe is playing sports good for health. कुछ भी है ना. You have to talk about some topic which has got two perspectives, और दोनों perspective आप यहाँ पर दिखा सको. That's the basic agenda. Okay, that's about task number 2. Going to task number 3, it's all about creativity. That means you have to create something new. और यहाँ आपने क्या create करना है? You have to design a flag for diversity. Okay, because that diversity would show up the students leadership. आजकल हम diversity, आजकल नहीं हमेशा से ही we call it India as a country of diversity, है ना. अलग अलग region, languages, food, color, dress, clothes, still we all are same. So similarly, creativity, designing a flag to show diversity. कि चाहे बच्चे फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड हो या फिर फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड हो या स्पेशली एबल्ड हो, या कोई शॉर्ट हाइट है, कोई लंबा हाइट है, कोई मोटा है, कोई पतला है, वॉट एवर इट इज, बट दे ऑल बिलोंग टू वन कम्युनिटी. सो सिमिलरली शोइंग दैट डाइवर्सिटी, आपने स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर की फ्लैग डिजाइन करनी है. ये बैजेस हैं. तो सिमिलरली आपने एक फ्लैग डिजाइन करनी, जैसे कंट्री की फ्लैग होती है, आर्मी वगैरह की फ्लैग होती है, स्काउट्स वगैरह की, हर चीज की एक फ्लैग होती है फॉर डूइंग एनीथिंग, है ना. शांति के लिए एक फ्लैग, गेम स्टार्ट करने के लिए एक फ्लैग, ट्रेन को रोकने के लिए एक फ्लैग, बंद करने के लिए एक फ्लैग, है ना. उस तरह से चलाने के लिए ट्रेन को एक फ्लैग. तो सिमिलरली आपने एक डाइवर्सिटी की फ्लैग बनानी है विच विल बी द फ्लैग फॉर स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर प्रोग्राम. टू इंक्लूड as much as diversity in it. थोड़े पिक्चर लगाइए, कुछ टैग लाइन लिखिए, ये आपकी क्रिएटिविटी है. That's task number 3. When we go about task number 4, the hand itself shows collaboration. It's very creative. You have to collaborate with your friends. किस चीज में आपने collaborate करना है? At least 4 बच्चे होने चाहिए, 4 Wakelet ambassador, to be Wakelet ambassadors होने चाहिए. And you have to add the songs that you like. आपकी जो भी पसंद की song है, आप वो ऐड कर सकते हो. सो ईच स्टूडेंट एड्स एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 songs. Suppose I like some Bollywood number, I'll add those. How would I add? Either you add name and put some little text about it. अगर वो मूवी की है तो उसके बारे में आप टेक्स्ट ऐड कर सकते हो. नहीं तो फिर आप उसकी यूट्यूब से लिंक ले सकते हो, या स्पॉटिफाई या कहीं पर Amazon म्यूजिक जहां भी आप सुनते हो, you can take link from there and paste it here. Okay, that these are the songs that I like, है ना. And then you share this Wakelet link. You call your friends to collaborate and you share it with 3 of your other friends. They add their parts. अब मुझे बॉलीवुड पसंद है, किसी को गजल पसंद होंगे, किसी को कॉमेडी गाने पसंद होंगे, किसी को जैज म्यूजिक पसंद होगा. सो सिमिलरली यू कैन ऐड, किसी को पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स पसंद है वो ऐड कर सकते हैं, कोई और रीजनल सॉन्ग्स यू कैन ऐड दोस. So that means 4 बच्चों ने कोलैबोरेट करना है to make one Wakelet. That's about task number 4, which is collaboration. Coming to task number 5, जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उस दिन भी और आज भी, this is communication. You have to communicate your idea. You need to create a presentation and you have to present that in front of your class for 4 to 5 minutes. That's the task number 5. Task number 6 specifies citizenship. So that means as being a citizen of the country or your neighborhood or your town, city, surrounding, या school, citizenship, what all you have earned for this last 1 year. So your accomplishments जो भी आपकी हैं आप उसमें add कर सकते हो. Okay, that's about task number 6. Let me just go quickly through this task. They are almost same. जो मैंने आपको summary बताया है वही है. This Wakelet link I'll share with you all, and you can take a screenshot of this task. So this is how it looks. See, क्यूरेशन यहाँ से शुरू हुआ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टास्क, ऑल अबाउट यू वो कह रहे हैं. हु आर यू, आप कौन हो, आपको क्या करना पसंद है, हाउ ऑसम यू आर। ओके, सो ये किसी के बंदे की बनाई हुई टास्क को उन्होंने यहाँ पर भी लगाया है, ये GIF उन्होंने यूज की है वेकलेट में। हाउ टू कंप्लीट द टास्क, यू विल नीड क्रिएट अ वेकलेट कलेक्शन अबाउट यू, शेयर योर नेम, where you are from, your hobbies, passions, things you love, things you don't like, anything else that interests you, कि मैं ये बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं इस तरह से करके ये बनूंगी, so that आपकी वेकलेट देखकर बाकी लोग भी इंस्पायर हो। And yes, what he says you are awesome. That's great. Thank you so much for telling awesome to my children. So meet the ambassador. ये है आपकी, ये वाली बैज मिलेगी जो डाउन बिलो ब्लू कलर में है। Okay, that's a badge for curation task. This was the first task. Let me know if I am too quick or too slow. Am I going good? Should I go to the teams and see? Let me just see some thumbs ups if you feel that till now everyone has understood. Okay, tap to return to the meeting. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah, I got 2 thumbs up. Okay, so that means people have only 2 people have understood. Yeah, I see less students are there. Chalo, never mind. That means at least ये सारे बच्चे serious हैं. I'm happy that you all are here. So I have got acha from laptop. I logged into another class. That was the reason it was not letting me share my screen. Chalo, we leave that. We go here now. I go back to the task again. This was the task. Task number 1 we discussed. This is task number 2. Critical thinking. So again they have added 9 items for us. वो हमें example दे रहे हैं. Let's spark a debate. He says, as a young person, it's good to try and think about things from other people's perspective and make an informed opinion. तो कभी भी आपने ऐसी किसी चीज को नहीं सोच लेना कि हाँ ये हो गया है। इसलिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपने इस टास्क में 4 या 5 अलग अलग जगहों से उस टास्क के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी है। सपोज अगर आप यूट्यूब से लेते हो, सो इट कुड बी गूगल, इट कुड बी यूट्यूब, इट कुड बी 5 डिफरेंट प्लेसेस दे इन्फॉर्म से। यू शुड ऑल्सो नो दैट क्वाइट ऑफन जस्ट बिकॉज यू रेड समथिंग ऑनलाइन दैट डजंट मेक इट ट्रू। मतलब कुछ आपने ऑनलाइन पढ़ लिया तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो सच ही है ना। यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, यू हैव टू डिग डीप इनटू, आपने उसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है। शेरलॉक होम्स बनने की जरूरत नहीं है हमें, वी आर नॉट स्पाइज इन आवर क्लासेस, बट एटलीस्ट वी शुड थिंक, हमने सोचना भी है। देखो ये कैट कैसे सोच रहा है, सो मेनी चॉइसेस, ये सोच रहा है ओ माय गॉड, राइट जाऊं लेफ्ट जाऊं, दूध पीऊं या फिश खाऊं या क्या करूं, है ना। कैट है तो यही सोचेगा, बट हम लोग ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, सो वी हैव टू थिंक मोर अबाउट इट। सो सी द टास्क, प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस। I'm just stopping here for few seconds. How to complete the task? इसकी screenshot ले सकते हो बच्चों आप लोग। I hope you all would have taken. So they are saying use 5 different media sources. Okay, 5 different media sources. Total of 10 sources to show both sides of the topic. मतलब अगर आपने YouTube की कोई वीडियो ली है, सपोज आपकी टॉपिक है मैं सोचती हूँ ये टॉपिक की शुड टीचर्स हैव यूनिफॉर्म इन द स्कूल। ठीक है, ये मेरी टॉपिक है। तो अगर मैं यस टीचर शुड हैव वाली कोई पॉइंट लेती हूँ या कोई वीडियो लेती हूँ यूट्यूब से, तो उसी तरह से मैंने नो टीचर शुड नॉट हैव वाली पॉइंट भी लेनी है। दैट्स अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट द 2 पर्सपेक्टिव। ये दोनों चीजें मैंने अगर यूट्यूब से लेनी है यूट्यूब से ले लूंगी। सपोज आई गो टू ट्विटर, ट्विटर में भी ये दोनों चीजें लूंगी। अगर मैं कोई और वेबसाइट पे जा रही हूँ, गूगल पे जा रही हूँ, वहां से भी ले लूंगी। आई कुड टेक इमेजेस, लिंक्स, पिक्चर्स, ट्वीट्स, videos or any other relevant information you can take, but it has to be 5 different media sources. Okay, and they are saying it's about balance. आपने सही उसको बैलेंस करना है, थोड़ा सही भी बताना है, थोड़ा पॉजिटिव थोड़ा नेगेटिव दोनों चीजें बतानी है। दैट्स अबाउट क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, क्रिटिकली थिंक करना है। एंड दिस इज द बैज फॉर टास्क नंबर 2. Okay, I hope it's clear till here. Just go to the task number 3. You can take a screenshot of this one. Student ambassador zone, creativity, design it, they say. And what you have to design, ये कह रहे हैं you are awesome and you have to design a flag. If you can see down below highlight किया हुआ है in the center of the screen. In this task you need to design a flag for the Wakelet student ambassador program. वो कह रहे हैं what all can you use? You can use a PowerPoint जहाँ आप टेक्स्ट या बॉक्सेस लगा करके आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, Adobe Spark यूज कर सकते हो, या कोई भी और सॉफ्टवेयर, कैनवा या जो भी आप काम करते हो। आजकल बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत सॉफ्टवेयर दे आर लर्निंग, है ना। यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ दोज। डाइवर्सिटी शो करना है आपने, इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर कम्युनिटी है तो इसीलिए आपने याद रखना है कि आप इंटरनेशनल लोगों के लिए डिजाइन कर रहे हो। आपने फ्री टू यूज इमेजेस को लेना है, कोई भी इमेजेस जिसपे कॉपीराइट लगी हो कि ये इमेज आपने क्यों लिया, ये इमेज हमारी है, प्लीज डोंट टेक दैट इमेज, ठीक है। हाउ टू कंप्लीट द टास्क, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट। I hope who are interested, who are here, genuine students who want to participate, they would have taken the screenshots by now. ओके, सो रिमेंबर, ये सारी चीजें हमारे रिमेम्बरेंस के लिए हैं कि ये हमने सोचना है, आउटसाइड द बॉक्स सोचना है, समथिंग क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए। एंड ये एम्बेसडर की एग्जांपल उन्होंने दी है, वेकलेट स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर, द फ्लैग चैलेंज, ये ऐसे ही कुछ पिक्चर पीछे यूज करें, जो फ्लैग्स बनती है डिफरेंट कंट्रीज की फ्लैग्स हैं, कहते हैं ऐसे ही कुछ फ्लैग आप अपना बना सकते हो। एंड दिस इज द बैज यू वुड बी रिसीविंग, ठीक है। दिस इज अबाउट योर टास्क नंबर 3। I go to task number 4, student ambassador zone, collaboration, make a playlist। आपने playlist बनानी है अपने, जैसे आजकल आप लोग सुनते हो ना playlist होती है, इस बंदे की playlist, इस सिंगर की playlist, तो सिमिलरली आपने अपनी playlist एक बनानी है जिसमें कि आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स होंगे। See what they are saying, you will win if you work together, unity is strength, कहते हैं ना एकता में बल है, so that's what they are saying। आपने कोऑर्डिनेट करना है अपने टीम में, being a leader means being able to coordinate a team, ठीक है। और आपने अपनी सॉन्ग डालनी, ये देखो एवेंजर्स, व्हाट आर दे डूइंग, टीम बना के खड़े हैं ना पांचों बाहर वालों से लड़ने के लिए। सो सिमिलरली दे आर सेइंग हाउ टू कंप्लीट द टास्क। यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस प्लीज, आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर फ्यू सेकंड्स। Yeah, so we have to create a wakelet with 4 of your favorite songs and invite at least 3 of your classmates। आपको छोड़कर 3 लोगों को आपने इनवाइट करना है, और आपके 4 सॉन्ग्स उनके 4 सॉन्ग्स, ऐसे करके कितने सॉन्ग्स हो जाएंगे, 4 4 जा 16 सॉन्ग्स हो जाएंगे, एक प्लेलिस्ट आपकी पूरी बन जाएगी। ओके, यू कैन ऐड डिफरेंट सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर एज वेल, मेक द कलेक्शन अनलिस्टेड और पब्लिक एंड शेयर इट विथ योर टीचर, ठीक है। अपनी ये सारी कलेक्शंस जो आप बनाओगे मेरे साथ में शेयर करोगे, फिर मैं उसको देखकर चेक करके आपको बैज भेजूंगी, फिर आप वेकलेट की कलेक्शन के साथ में इसको ट्वीट कर सकते हो। दिस इज द टास्क नंबर 4 बैच, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, आई होप यू वुड हैव सीन इट। जब 6 टास्क कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे फिर हम आपका नेम भेजेंगे उनको, सो दैट यू गो अहेड एंड रिसीव अ सर्टिफिकेट। दिस इज कम्युनिकेशन प्रेजेंटेशन टाइम, जिसके बारे में हम बार बार बात कर रहे हैं। So they are saying share your voice and your choice। अपनी friends को don't worry, everyone finds presentation scary, so don't be nervous, don't be worried कि पता नहीं मेरा presentation कैसा होगा, मैं क्या बोलूंगा या मैं क्या बोलूंगी। Be confident, okay। So this is how they are sharing। अब इस बंदे ने अपनी YouTube की presentation share की है, जब YouTube पर इसकी वीडियो शेयर की है कि जब उसने presentation दिया था तो वो कैसा था, how did he feel, how to complete the task। इसकी screenshot ले लीजिए please, task number 5। I know it might be too much of information download, but being in grade 9, I think you will understand what I'm saying. And for those who already attended once, this would be a refresher for them। आप लोगों को शायद याद आ गया होगा कि हम लोगों ने कैसे शेयर करा था। And what they're saying, that you can use tweets, videos, GIFs, images, graphs, PowerPoint, Google Slide, Prezi, presentation, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो आप। ये सारी चीजें अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, वो कह रहे हैं। And remember, कैसे बैठे ये डॉगी, कैसे बैठा, ये बच्चे देखो कैसे देख रहे हैं उनको। यू शुड मेक योर प्रेजेंटेशन अबाउट समथिंग यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, ठीक है। डोंट मेमोराइज, आपने मेमोराइज नहीं करना, आपने सोचना है, आपने लर्न नहीं करना, उसको अपने दिमाग में डालो कि क्या बोलना चाहते हो। और यू मे फील शाई, बट दैट्स ओके, शाई लगना भी इट्स कॉन्फिडेंट है ना कि आपको पता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। Don't stress, stay calm and have fun। So these are few tips that they are giving while you're presenting, and these are the examples that they have given। उन्होंने कोई क्लाइमेट चेंज पे दी है प्रेजेंटेशन, सो वो हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं। And this is what was about the task number 5। This is how the badge looks for task number 5। Task number 6, this is task number 6 है ना, which is citizenship, your portfolio। So क्या ये पोर्टफोलियो आप बना लोगे ना, you can be using it later as well। As far as I remember, ग्रेड 9 और 10 में आपको पोर्टफोलियो बनानी होती है आपकी, कि आपकी एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, अकम्प्लिशमेंट, सीबीएसई को भेजने के लिए। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, सम सीरियस स्टडी हियर, to send it to CBSE. Last time as far as I remember portfolio बनाया था बच्चों ने 9, 10 वाले सब ने, है ना? तो 9 में भी होती है आई थिंक सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी, किसी में भी it's going to be included. मुझे पूरा नहीं पता, I have a faint idea about it. Your teachers would be better to clarify. बट अगर आप ये पोर्टफोलियो बना लोगे, एंड वेकलेट इज समथिंग, आप उसको बनाते रहो, ऐड करते रहो, एडिट करते रहो, कोई आपको रोक नहीं रहा. यू कांट स्टॉप, या यू नो वन वुड स्टे कि अब छोड़ दो, अब नहीं इस वेकलेट को आपने अमेंड करना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता उसमें. ठीक है, तो आपने एक बना ली, चाहे उसकी कॉपी कर लो, दूसरी कॉपी जो है उसको चेंजेस करो, एक को जो आपने बनाई उसको एज इट इज रखो, तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और अगर जैसे जैसे आपको कोई सर्टिफिकेट, बैज या कोई अकम्प्लिशमेंट होती है आपकी, आप उसमें इसको ऐड करते रहते हो, दैट्स आल्सो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो यू कैन इंक्लूड एनी सर्टिफिकेशंस. आप जैसे आर ऑफ कोड करते हो वो आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, आप स्काइप सेशंस अटेंड करते हो आप वो इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट एल्स डू यू डू, जो जो आप लोग करते हो, आप लोग कुछ डांस वगैरह करते हो, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करते हो, दोज यू कैन इंक्लूड कि हमने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया है. बाकी जो एग्जांपल्स मैंने पहले दे दिए थे उसके अलावे मैं ये चीज बता रही हूँ. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन इंक्लूड योरसेल्फ, you can include your accomplishments in relation to these as well. So take a screenshot of this, how to complete the task, please. Children who were asking, Mitali and team, Sia, everyone else who have not yet done, Simran, everyone can take, please. Okay, so what they are saying, bonus points for adding evidence. अगर आप फोटो, स्क्रीनशॉट, वीडियो ऐड करोगे तो आपकी वेकलेट भी और अच्छी बनेगी और दिखेगी. अगर नहीं आपके पास कुछ है, आप सिर्फ टेक्स्ट ऐड कर दो, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. और आजकल तो अच्छा फैशन है, टेक्स्ट के साथ में इमोजीज लगा दो. आई जस्ट लव इट, मुझे बड़ा पसंद आता है. इवन व्हेन आई सेंड मैसेजेस, सिंपल मैसेजेस भी ना, आई ऐड समथिंग और द अदर. उसमें एक कोई इमोजी, वो येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लू, रेड होते हैं ना, इट फैसिनेट्स मी वेरी मच. So you can include those emojis as well. Go to your profile page, copy the URL और हमें send करो टीचर को. Remember, क्या remember करना है? Your digital portfolio is the best way. अब सब कुछ डिजिटल ही है आजकल. अगर आप यहाँ सब इंक्लूड करके रख दोगे, हो सकता है कल को आप कहीं जाओ तो यही आपकी सीवी बन जाए. सीवी पता है ना, करिकुलम वाइटे जो कहते हैं, या रेज्यूमे जो होती है आपकी, कि आपने क्या पढ़ा, कहाँ पढ़ा, कितना करा, कितनी परसेंटेजेस आई. You can even include your report card of last class or your periodical one report card. Your friends have done that, and I'm so happy that they thought about it. That's very good. ठीक है, तो जैसे 6th task हो जाएगा, आप सबमिट करोगे, they are saying congratulations, you are amazing. Once you have shown your teacher your profile digital portfolio, they will give you official student ambassador certificate. ठीक है, तो ये आपकी 6th टास्क है. हमने यहाँ पर मेल करनी है आपकी वेकलेट लिंक्स और टास्क के साथ में, और फिर वो हमें भेजेंगे, एंड देन वी कैन क्लिक ऑन इट, डाउनलोड इट, और ये हमारी बैच होगी. राइट चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस इज अबाउट टिल टास्क नंबर 6. I'll be sharing this with your teachers so that they can go ahead and share it with you. I'm here on the front screen. Yeah, I'll stop. Should I stop presenting? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Any other questions or anything else that you would like to ask? You may go ahead. We have 2 more minutes to go.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Sure, go ahead, bete.
Ma'am, we need to send the all task, and in